What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about the slice operator. Before we get started, please subscribe and hit the like button on this video. And please share this video to as many people as you can to teach people how to code. And let's get right into the video. So basically, what is the slice operator? The slice operator is basically an operator used to slice a string or a list. So let's give a list here. So we can say fruits, and then we could say apple, comma, pear, comma, strawberry, comma, blueberry. Let's save this. Now you can easily get one of these items using indexing. But let's say you want to get pear and strawberry. Let's fix strawberry. So let's say you want to get pear and strawberry. So what you would have to do, I'll quickly show you the syntax first. You would have to put the list name here. And then you have the square brackets. And then this is the syntax. You have to put your starting index here, then a colon, and then you have to put your stop index. And then if you want, you can have a step. Let's say you want to go to the end of the list and have all the items till the end. You can leave the stop blank. Or if you want it to start from the beginning, you can leave the start blank. And also, if you don't want to have a step, you can also leave the step blank. So let's say we want to get pear and strawberry. So pear is the second item, or index number 1. So we would say 1, colon, and then we want to get strawberry, which is the third item, or the second index. But in indexing, the index or the number you put in is not included inside the indexing. So we would put, instead of 2, we would put 3 here. So now we can wrap this in a print statement here, and then save this, and then we can run it. It should print pear and strawberry here. It printed pear and strawberry down below in our terminal. We can also use this on strings. So let's say we want our text to be, hello, I like Python. And we can save this. Here, we also have to put an equals there. We can say text, our square brackets. And then let's say we want to get I like. So how indexing works in strings, you can use indexing in strings, by the way. So this would be our 0 index. This would be a 1. Here. So E would be our 1, then L would be 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, and then 8. So basically, let's say we want to get hello, right? We can just leave the start blank. So we could say colon, and we want to end here. So we would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would want to put 5 here, even though this is the 4th index. And once we save this, it should print out hello, just like this. But let's say you want to get every other letter. Then you could put a colon here and have, let's say, 2. That'd be our step. Now once we run this, we would get HLO. We could also say we want it from the end of hello to the end of the string, basically. So what we would put here is, instead of 5, we would put 6 colon blank. And then now once we run this, this should go to till the end of the list, or I mean string in this case, and it does. It says I like Python. Well, that's it for today's videos, and please subscribe and hit the like button once again and share this video to as many people as possible. Thanks for watching.